snack time, Casp. And crisp nice. Yeah. Enjoying that? Oh, yum yum. Is that good, Charlie? Is that nice? Cool, that looks good. Yum 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 yum. Nice crisps. Yeah. Nice crisps. They're good, Casp. That good, Charles. I think you're getting more on the bottom than you are in your mouth. Are you having yours yet, Will? You got yours in your bowl. Not like you normally tuck in, don't you? Shall I see if I try and give you one? And a crisp. Let's have a look. Let's find one. Oh, Wilfie! You want a crisp? Can't get hold of them, can't Will? Hang on. Oh, look. Want a crisp? Not like you. You want a crisp? You normally eat a crisp. Oh, you're telling me off. I'm sorry, is it because I got the camera on you? No, man, I'll put it in your bowl then. You'll have it when you want it, can't you then? A Mardy! Hey, a Mardy! God dear me! Well, yours didn't last 2 seconds. That good, Charles? No, one more. One more. Since that lasted you all of 2 seconds. Hey, Charlie. Whoa. Finish that one then. Tar. Another one, Cass. Hang on, babe. Get you one. Yeah, sweetheart. Where is he? Hey, Crispy. Good boy. Oh. Nice? Yeah. That good, Charles? Is that nice, sweetheart? Is that nice? You little piggies, aren't you? You my greedy boys. Yeah. You're not having yours, Will? Not yet. Alright, sweetheart. Say bye-bye.